Here's me and Alina. She just had a bath. And we're waiting for her bottle to get cooler. And then we're going to wake up Sissy, and then she's going to get a bath. Right? She's hungry. She's sucking her fingers. Okay, Sissy. Let me see if I can flip this around real quick. Annalie is in her car seat still because we just got home from church. We had Kingdom Institute tonight. So she's still sleeping. And we are waiting for her to wake up. Say hi, pretty girl. Say, I am a month old. I'm a month old and I have duck pajamas. Duck and a turtle on your outfit. I don't know if you can see it or not. Yep. Yes. Mommy looks a hot mess. It's a long day. Did you have a long day? Let me see. Hold on. Did you have a long day, Princess? Huh? Look at that pretty girl. She is so beautiful. Alright, say goodnight. Say love you. Bye-bye.